If your iPhone is lagging or glitching, or it's maybe unresponsive and you're not able to tap on anything, we can always go through the process of doing a hard reset on your iPhone. This is different from just the normal shutdown or power down and then start back up again. It completely turns off your phone and then reboots it. However, it's completely safe to do. It doesn't destroy anything or remove anything. It doesn't remove any of your personal information, and it's great to do if your iPhone's not working well. Now, to be able to do that, we're going to use a combination of buttons: the volume up, the volume down, and the power or side button here. So what we're going to do is press the volume up right here, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button, and I'll show you how long to press it, so follow along exactly with these steps. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off. However, I'm just continuing to hold that side button until the iPhone screen goes black, but keep holding even after that because we're not quite done yet. When you see that Apple logo, that is when you can remove your fingers because we have successfully done the hard reset. You'll be able to see after a few seconds, it will just boot up normally. So again, if you're not able to do it or it didn't work for you, volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I look forward to catching you on the next one.